The Questbridge Scholarship itself is for low-income, high-achieving students, basically acting as a liaison to connect them with the top 35 private schools in the country. This year, 2013, we graduated our first class of Quest Scholars, so we're a very new chapter in terms of the scholarship itself. But that being said, we're the largest chapter in the nation, so we have over 300 scholars. There were no resources for low-income students. And we realized, this number was just going to get bigger, and we weren't going to wait for Northwestern to kind of create something to help them. I think more than anything, it's the fact that Northwestern isn't necessarily realizing what their experience is like, or kind of just writing them off in a way, too. Just saying, money is the only issue that faces them, when a lot of times, a lot of things we ask for aren't necessarily monetary. We don't ask for more financially, more scholarship. We ask for more resources, things that are tangible, and things that, you can't really put a price tag on. My freshman year, I knew very few Quest Scholars that were, in a fraternity or a sorority. It was difficult, because it's really hard. If you don't see anyone like yourself or anyone you can relate to or ask questions, you feel very hesitant to join or anything, or realize what you're getting into because you don't necessarily know. Luckily, the house I joined was able, the dues were based off the percentage financial aid I received, so they were very, very subsidized for me. But it was unfortunate that Greek life as a whole isn't necessarily as accessible to low-income students yet. Fraternities are a lot better than sororities. Sororities have about 1 or 2 scholarships for the entire sorority population. They're not even need-based. A lot of them are merit-based, so it's hard. All students are able to just kind of jump in, make friends like that, or necessarily find some kind of common ground with other people. And there definitely are some barriers to that, and I think it's still a working process, I guess making Northwestern more socially conscious about socioeconomic status and finding more ways to bring the campus together and have more things in common with one another.